Maryland State Police, at the request of the Anne Arundel County Police Department, have issued a Maryland child amber alert for 7-year-old Prophet Marquise Matthew Johnson, a black male further described as being 4 feet 0 inches and 50 pounds.
Another one. Well, this is today one, but it's on WIYY this time.
The Maryland State Police, the Anne Arundel County Police Department, have issued a Maryland child amber alert for 7-year-old Prophet Marquise Matthew Johnson, a black male further described as being 4 feet 0 inches and 50 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. The child may be wearing gray underwear and is without his medication. The child was last observed at approximately 11 p.m. in the area of Glen Burnie, Anne Arundel County, Maryland. The child is believed to be in the company of Tiffany Sharkita Johnson, an approximate 30-year-old black female. A possible suspect vehicle is a Chrysler 300, 4-door, dark in color, with large rims. Vehicle registration is unknown. Anyone with information is asked to immediately call 911 or the Anne Arundel County Police Department, Eastern Division, at 410-222-6135. Do not take action which can endanger your safety or further endanger the abducted child.
WTOP Burr. Holy fuck. WTOP is one Burr. Holy shit. WTOP is one Burr.
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington area because of an Amber child abduction alert this morning. On behalf of the Anne Arundel County Police Department. A 4-door Chrysler 300, dark in color. The vehicle was large, had large rims, unknown Maryland registration. The child was last seen at 11 p.m. last night on the 2300 hours in Glen Burnie, Anne Arundel County, Maryland. You're asked to contact Anne Arundel County Police, the Department of the East.
God.
And as a proud partner of Children's Miracle Network hospitals to get kids.
By car, I spent a month and a half in the ICU.
410-222-6135. That again is... We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of an Amber child abduction alert this morning. On behalf of the Anne Arundel County Police Department, Amber Alert has been activated for a 7-year-old black male. The child is identified this morning as Prophet Marcus Matthew Johnson. He's 4 feet high, weighs about 50 pounds, with black hair, brown eyes. The child should only be wearing a gray underwear and is without his medication this morning. The suspect is Tiffany Sharkita Johnson, a black female, approximately 30 years of age. The Chrysler 300 is what she was driving, a 4-door Chrysler 300, dark in color. The vehicle had large rims, unknown Maryland registration. The child was last seen at 11 p.m. last night on the 2300 hours in Glen Burnie, Anne Arundel County, Maryland. You're asked to contact Anne Arundel County Police, the Department of the Eastern District at 410-222-6135. That again is Anne Arundel County Police at 410-222-6135, or call 911. Authorities say you should not take action which could endanger your safety or further endanger the abducted child.
Trails. Post rescue alert. Rescue alert. CBS's boat. Rescue alert. Rescue alert.